We're back at the Gucci outlet, yay, and I literally want to see everything. Swimwear, jeans, belts, hats, and of course, bags and shoes. So let's go. Okay, so let's start with the shoes, and here's a tip for shopping at the Gucci outlet. I always go to the SA and ask to see all of the shoes they have available in my size on their phones, because basically they can filter each item category by size, and sometimes they really don't display everything. So in this way, I know that I've seen absolutely everything that they have available in my size, as well as the prices. And so I tried on these platform sneakers. They were very lightweight. The Gucci monogram in multicolor crystals was super cute, and by the way, they kind of matched my bag of the day, the multicolor nano speedy, and they were also surprisingly comfortable, and they were priced down to 550 euros. Guys, what do we think? Are they my style? Because they are pretty, like on paper, but are they my style, or are the crystals too much? Also, they run large, so size at least one full size down in these. And then I also tried on these green platform slides. They didn't have my size in these, and clearly, as you can see, one size down was definitely too small for me. And then I also tried on these horseshoe ballerinas. They were so cute, pointy but not too pointy, and they also felt classic, but they did not have my size, which was so sad. And I think that they were only like 350 euros. So yeah, I think that this would have been such a score, but unfortunately they were too small. Then I also really loved this navy blue silk with the white chains, and they also had a swimsuit in the exact same print, but size large was the only one left available, unfortunately, because otherwise I would have gotten that swimsuit so quick, because I feel like it is like subtle Gucci but very Gucci at the same time. Loved this print. Another thing that I was really hoping to find was a beach bag or the Raffia Marmont bag from last summer's collection, but unfortunately I was too late and it was already sold out. Like they did have it, but I think it was very limited quantities, so it was already sold out. Then this basket tote was gorgeous, but in my humble opinion it still felt too expensive. I don't know, for an outlet bag it just felt like it was still priced a little bit too high, and especially also because it's a seasonal bag. And then one of the main reasons why I came here was swimwear. And unfortunately, this swimsuit was too small for me. I mean, they didn't have my size, they didn't have size medium, this was a size small. I thought I'll try, and it was definitely too small. They also had it in size large, but that one was too big. So yeah, the sizing was very limited. And then please don't laugh, but I also tried on these shorts that are like Bermuda cargo style shorts. The crystal G on the back just spoke to me, and I thought that they'd be like cool, but the fit was really not it. It was like very off in these shorts, so yeah, I would consider them a fail. And then I saw these bags that I don't remember ever seeing at the boutiques. Like, I don't know if they were actually at the stores before the outlet, or is this like an outlet release, because I don't remember seeing these before. But anyway, these were gorgeous, especially this burgundy with the very much Gucci feeling bamboo handles. And the size was also good. It had a detachable strap that came with the bag, so this was definitely my favorite piece that I found at the store. But I can't tell if I like the bag only because of the color and because I've always wanted a Gucci bag with bamboo handles. So I'm honestly still thinking about this one. And then also, even though it's half off, again, this one really still feels expensive. Let me know your thoughts about it, because I'm still like on the fence about it. this one was another favorite of mine. The bronzy shimmery gold was just absolutely beautiful. It's probably one of my favorite camera bags that I have seen in a very long time. And for this one, I think the price was very good. Now I try to get some footage and prices from the men's collection as well. I feel like a lot of these are unisex though. I actually liked some of the men's pieces more than the women's, especially the ready-to-wear pieces. I think they had a better selection. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Now let me know your favorites and least favorites in the comment section below, as well as if I should go back for that burgundy bag. I'm still kind of thinking about it, so let me know your thoughts about it. And I hope I'll see you again soon in part 2 with more discounts from brands like Miu Miu, Loewe, Prada, and many other. Stay safe everyone.